Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Hope so you're good. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to set up Facebook ads, that is get more calls. Friends, if you have any products and you want to sell more from Facebook page, so sometimes you should run campaign from Facebook page, right? So for this, you need to set up clearly or focusedly for Facebook ads, that is get more calls, right? So in this video I'll show you in detail how you can set up easily get more calls for your Facebook ads campaign to sell more, right? So without any further delay, go to on the computer screen. Friends, as you can see, this is my Facebook profile interface. So now I'll go on my Facebook page to run the ads get more calls. If you want, also you can run the ads from Facebook Ads Manager. So this time I'll run the ads from Facebook page. You have to go from here also. Then you have to click on create ads. Friends, from here you have to click on change first. Then you have to select your goal, which goal if you want. So this time I want get more calls. So select this one, select save. And at creative, you have to give your descriptions. So your description will be different because your product is different from mine, right? So I have select a short description from here, like this. Then media, you can add up to the 5 media from here, right? So you have to click on select media. If it is already here, so you can just select like this. But if it's not here, then you can click on upload. Then you can select from here, right? After that, click on open after selecting, and it will become here. So this time I want to select sell headphones, so I want to select this one. I want to cancel this one also. I want to keep only one, so I can sell this one. It will be better, right? Then click on select. After that headline, you can add something attractive. So I want to give this one. Then button level, you have to select only one. There is only one button that is called now. Then you have to give your number, on which number you want to receive the call, right? Advantage plus creative, I want to turn on this one because I want, beside of my target audience, which I'll select later on, beside of this ad will be shown on the same type of people who are interested to buy this product. Special ad category, there is 4 types of special ad category: social issues, elections, or politics, housing, employment, and credit, right? So my ads on not on this 4 types of ad category, so I'll turn it off, special ad category, but I'll turn on the advantage plus creative, right? After that, you have to select your target audience. This is the main part of any Facebook ads campaign. So you have to click on here. Then my friends, you have to select your age group, between which age group you want to show your ads. So I want to show my ads 18 to 35. I have to select like this. Then if you want to show your ads only to men, you have to select only to men or women or both, like this, right? Then you have to select your location, on which locations you want to show your ad. You have to type out here, like I want to show also this ad in India. So I have to select India and country, right? And it will be added here, see. So Bangladesh, India. And also if I want to show my ads on United States, I have to like this, United States. Country, the whole country. But if you want to show on a specific area, you have to show like this. Like if you want to show like New York, you have to write like this, New York City, and it will be added on here, right? Like this, my friends. After selecting the location, you can select like this whole 50 mile. After selecting the locations, you have to come on the detailed targeting. You have to click on browse. You have to select your target audience based on the 3 categories, that is demographics, interest, and behaviors. On demographics, you will find lots of category. See, you have to expand all of these and you have to select which category is relevant to your product right? Because you have to find out the exact customers of your product. So you have to find out all of these and you have to select like this. If you select like this, it will be added on here, my friends, on the top, like this. See, it will be added on here. And same like this, based on interest, you have to click on here. You have to expand all of the category and you have to see clearly which category is relevant to your products. Same like behaviors, you have to expand all of this. See, take your time because you are expending money, right? So you have to take your time to publish this ad because the target audience is the main part of the ads. So based on these three categories, you can select your target audience, right? After selecting the target audience, you can click on save audience from here, like this. After click on save audience, then you can come on the durations for how many days you want to run your ads, or if you want to run your ads per day, you can select this one. So per day how much if you want to expand, you can see this one from here. The cost will be like $5 per day. If you want, you can do $5 cost per day, or you can select more. So I want to select the second one, the lifetime ad, and I want to run this ad for 23 days. I have to write here 23 days because my offer is until 13 June, right? So that's 23 days late from today. So that's why I have written here 23 days. And per day, my cost will be $5 or $10 like this. After that, placements options, you can turn it off because beside the Facebook, this ad will show on Instagram Messenger. But if you want that this ad only will show on Facebook, so on that case, you have to remove the check mark from these two, Instagram and Messenger. After that, you have to come on Meta Pixel. Friends, if you have a landing page or website, you can add it here because next time you can target your audience better by these options, right? After that, you have to come on payment method. On payment method, you have to add your card where the money will be deducted, right? So on the card, you have to give your card name. So from the card, you have to give your name on the card and also the card number, validity date, and also the CVC number. CVC number you'll find opposite of the card, right? After adding the card, you have to come on the right hand side. Right hand side, you can see the ad preview, how your ads look like. If there is any corrections, then you can edit from left side, right? And again, you can come on right hand side to see it how it is showing. After all the things, if you see this ad is okay, then you can click on publish. After click on publish, your ad will be go on review to Meta Teams. If it is okay with community guidelines, they will activate on your page and you can see the results, right? So friends, that was all for Get More Calls Facebook Ads campaign. So if you have any questions on your products, which category you need to select, you can email me or you can comment in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.